Hey guys, welcome to React Till Infinity. What does that mean? It just means that you're going to learn React and everything that you need to know to become a React developer. Plus, by owning this course or being part of the subscription of CodingPhase.com, you're going to get access to any changes and any new updates that get added to React through this course. Now, for those of you guys that don't know what the hell is React, React is a framework. It's basically a library to help you write components with JavaScript easier. Okay, it just makes your life easier. If you ever try to do components with just vanilla JavaScript or just using JavaScript by itself, you'll know that, hey man, there's got to be a better way, and the better way is really React. Okay, so React was built by Facebook. It was a tool that they use in-house, and then at some point they made it open source, and here we are. Now we are able to use one of Facebook tools to make our lives easier. Okay, this is the reactjs.org website. Is pretty legit. Okay, if you want to see some examples, you could definitely check it out. Okay, they have some cool small little examples that you can look at. Okay, so now let's move on to the next thing. Okay, why you should learn React.js. The jobs, right? There's money to be made, there's a bag, and there's opportunities out there. Okay, now if you're here, right, and you're brand new to this and you just a beginner in web development, you got to understand this. Big boys when it comes to frameworks and libraries in JavaScript are Angular, React, Vue.js, Ember, and you have everybody else back there. Okay, there's like 20,000 different frameworks out there, and they all cool, but they just not React. Okay, React is great because you can actually use it for the front end. You could use it for VR. You can use it for creating mobile applications. You can use it for even creating UI elements for your fridge. Okay, like literally, yeah, and even for TV. Yeah, so React, once you learn this thing, like you could pretty much do a whole bunch of things, right? It just opens up the door for you. Now, why you should learn React? Well, there's a bag, there's money behind it. Okay, let's be honest. Okay, as you can see, just by searching React.js, you'll see that automatically you start seeing a lot of jobs, $95,000 and up. This is something that you can search right now. Do a quick search all over the United States, right? And this is what's showing me, right? 95 and up. Okay, a lot of companies, they'll pay you 80, right? Of course, I'll be honest with you guys, as a beginner, a brand new developer with no experience, you're looking at something more like 60, 70,000, but it's still good. Okay, you can't complain. $60,000, $70,000 for knowing one skill and being able to earn that much. That's actually pretty good. And then, you know, you have something to work towards to, right? Where you say, okay, there's people making $100,000, $190,000. There's people making $130,000. There's people making $400,000. Like, the numbers is high. Okay, now I'm definitely going to be teaching you this in an easy way, in a way that you're going to be able to understand it, and pretty much anybody who is a beginner can take this course. Okay, as long as you have the fundamentals, as long as you know JavaScript and you've taken at least one ES6 course, okay, you're gonna be good. All right, now as far as the requirements, all I ask for you guys is just have a computer, of course, keyboard, mouse, the simple things, right? Have some internet connection. Okay, at the same time, being able to install Node.js. Okay, Node.js is gonna be crucial for this application. Okay, so my advice for anybody who has Windows 10 is go to my all installations you will need, and I'm also going to add it below on the description, all the installations that you will need. It's an easy free course that I have. Pretty much you can come in here and follow along the things that you're going to need for this course. Okay, don't go in and do everything, because if we're not using MySQL, you don't need to be taking and installing MySQL. Okay, just do the things that we need. Okay, we need Node.js. You need to have Bash Ubuntu. You need to have a VS Code or Atom, right? And you need to have the web developer starter kit. Okay, so I'm going to also teach you guys how to use the web developer starter kit in this course. So especially the new one, we have a brand new version for the Web Developer Starter Kit. But even if you use this video, right, and you watch the older one, which is, it's not even older, it's just it's like a month old, okay? If you use this version, right, the previous version, pretty much you're gonna be able to follow along with this course, because what is going to teach you is the fundamentals of working with the terminal, being able to install packages from Node.js, being able to run the commands, and that's it. If you're able to do that, you're good to go. For Mac users, just follow me. You're going to be good, okay? Anybody who's on a Windows 8, Windows 7, my advice is basically try to install Linux Ubuntu into your computer. And you can do that very easily by running a virtual machine on your computer. Okay, so it's pretty much having an operating system inside of your operating system, just like this. Like currently right now, I'm on the Mac, right? But I'm able to also use Linux because I'm using VMware Fusion. And for you guys on Windows, you guys will use something like VirtualBox, which is free. Okay, it's pretty cool. It's pretty legit. All right, so the next thing that I want you guys to know is that, hey man, you're gonna need Node.js. Like I said, you're gonna need future-proof JavaScript. If you are a member of CodingPhase.com, I'm already expecting that you know these things. Like, I'm not teaching you JavaScript. Anybody who's watching this right now, we're going to hit the ground running. I'm not going to babysit you. I'll be honest. I'm not gonna babysit you because this course already has requirements, meaning this course is expecting that you know these things already. You already know some JavaScript. You already know some ES6. You already know how to deal with the terminal. You already know how to install Node.js. You already know how to install the Web Developer Starter Kit. Okay, and that's pretty much it. But we're just gonna go head first and let's get started, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoy this, and yeah, let's get this.